What's up, guys? Aaron's here. I have the new Fenix 6X Pro Solar. So Garmin kind of announced these last week, and they were like, hey, here we have a crap ton of options now for the Fenix series. Huge fan, been using them since the Fenix 3. A lot of y'all saw my video last year before Ranger School and got, kind of mixed stuff. I didn't go into super detail. Didn't really expect it to blow up. So I'm going to try to do like an unboxing. And then after I use this watch for a little bit, I'm going to try to give some thoughts and another review. So again, this is just unboxing. Now I did go with the titanium. But previously, I've kind of always used the Sapphire editions. This is the 5X, not the 5X Plus, as I talked about. I did return it. The music was just kind of spotty for me, and again, I was going to Ranger School, so I just didn't really see the options. But I'm looking, with what I do currently, I need some topographic maps, and looking forward to that. And yeah, and also very looking forward to the titanium and being lighter. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna do the unboxing and then maybe give a few thoughts. Again, stay tuned for probably about a couple weeks from now to get a good idea. Maybe a week I can get a good idea of the watch. Again, this is the Pro Solar. It is sold out right now and back ordered. I think I just looked on Garmin's website. I think it said a couple weeks, maybe about 4 weeks is the back order right now on them. So let's go ahead and dig into it, check them out. All right, so let's get this box. Now, first thing I noticed is this box is a lot bigger than the other box. Yeah, so it's a lot bigger box. And this does come with the titanium band also, so I wonder if that's probably why. Again, I am kind of trying this one out too, because I'm not sure how the titanium is going to hold up, and if the lightness is going to be worth the risk of Sapphire. So yeah, got this. Let's get into it. It's pretty stuck on here. I'll grab the watch out first. So yeah, it actually feels very premium. I like this. The silver is very silvery. Kind of spin around. Now again, there's all kind of features, new features with that. Again, we'll kind of touch on those maybe in a different video, but again, this is just kind of, I'm a big fan of solar charging. I have a few solar products, so that's one thing that drew me to this. And the titanium, obviously being lighter. It's kind of weird, to compare even at first between the two, because obviously it has this band on it, which is going to weigh it down a little more. But it definitely feels a little more less centric. Again, this is 98 grams? Yeah, 98 grams, and then this is 82 without the band on it. So we'll just kind of put that aside, and we'll take a look at what else is in the box. Again, it's a very premium box. I guess if you're spending this amount of money on it, it's nice to give you the box. So again, that's just kind of, we'll set that aside. So let's see what else is in here. So it comes with the orange band. See those bands. Totally doesn't work for military, but it could be working during my civilian time, I guess you'd say, lifestyle. I use that, kind of green band for the most part, that Ranger green, quick fit official Garmin one. So there's that. We shouldn't have too much more in this box. Just have a charge cable, and same style charge cable as the previous ones, and that is all that is in here. I do not see any instructions or anything else. I will verify that before I publish. Oh, there they are. Haha, just kidding. You gotta dig down there, and there's all the warranty and instructions. I was just kidding. See, before y'all start, like, oh, this video sucks. All right, so yeah, all your typical Fenix 6X Pro, quick start, warranty information, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, so obviously, there's tons of people, that, do good reviews and stuff, but not everyone does an unboxing. So we'll just do that. So bam, that's the quick unboxing. I'm gonna do a quick comparison, detach these quick fit. Just kind of, again, real views of, hey, this is how I feel. I'm a real person. I'm in the military. I bought this. So when it comes to real world and trying to be a real review, I try to give you my honest opinions. So let me go ahead and pop this off, and we'll check it out. All right, so we have switched the bands to the normal band. This one definitely has some ribs. Feels ribbed on it. Yeah, so it does feel a lot lighter. immediately kind of holding it. Probably when I put it on, it definitely will feel lighter. So let me pick this other watch up. You know, now when holding it, comparable, it does have a little more heft to it. The 5X and the 5X Plus are definitely going to be a little heftier. Again, this one's 98. The 5X Plus, I think, was down to 92. And this is going to be about 10 grams lighter. So you're talking grams here, but when it's actually on your wrists, I remember the first time I put one of the Fenixes on, I was like, man, this is actually a pretty heavy watch. And my wife thought I got her a 5S and then kind of returned it because she was like, oh, that's actually very heavy. She wasn't a fan after using the Apple Watch, so we actually went with a smaller Garmin, 645, but yeah, blah, blah, blah. So, man, yeah, it honestly doesn't feel like crazy lighter. It's not like, oh, wow, but it definitely is lighter, comparable. So there's that. Now, I will be, as you see my Sapphire edition, after, you know, 2 years of using it, definitely takes some beating. You know, I do a lot of, you know, stuff in the field, in and out of vehicles, military stuff. So it definitely held up. The screen's in great shape. So I am a little concerned about this, you know, long term. So that's why I kind of wanted to test this out. That's why I started with the Pro, because I knew the other ones would be easily to get, or excuse me, the Pro Solar. So definitely going to try this out. Going to try out the solar charging and see how that works. So that's that. But yeah, so that's a quick comparison, a quick unbox. Now, again, I don't have really thoughts on music. I just opened it. And I'm just going to go ahead and publish this just for a pure unboxing video. If you're looking for, like, you know, first thoughts, stay tuned. Give me about a week, and I'll try to publish some first thoughts, comparisons, uses, and differences. All right. Appreciate it, guys. If you do like the content, be sure to like it. You can also subscribe. We're getting up there in numbers. And you can also leave a comment. I'll try to answer any questions. Appreciate it, guys. All right, so I got it on, and let me tell you, it does feel a lot lighter. It actually feels like a really good fit, which is kind of weird when putting them both on. And this little ribbed is really interesting to put on. Like, it's really a tight fit. Like, it seems like a great design that they should have added a long time ago to the bands. But just to show you, it's actually kind of weird to put a watch on my right hand side. But it's just, this one's so much, it feels thicker. It just feels heavier. When holding them, I didn't really feel that. But when actually having them on, it does feel significantly larger. So I'm kind of interested about that, you know, taking it for a run and actually seeing what it feels like. But there's the orange band, which may not be my first choice in color. But just to kind of show what it looks like. But yeah, so there are those combined on each hand, just to show you that I actually wore them. It does feel lighter, like 10 grams is pretty significant. Now, it also, this is on my right hand, so maybe it could just be kind of that psychological aspect of, you know, it's kind of weird because I don't wear a watch on my right side. But yeah, all right, so there's that. Just want to throw that in the quick video because that's a quick, easy comparison to do.